So over here you can see that I am in my dashboard of WordPress, and let's say for privacy reasons what you want to do is you actually want to delete off your account of WordPress. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can go around onto the My Profile section on the top right hand side right here, and then what you can simply do is you can delete off your account. So you can go around onto account setting for that, and over here you can see that delete your account permanently is an option. But it says it'll delete all your site and close your account completely right here if you were to do this. So you need to do this if you're absolutely sure. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that it says you still have active purchases on your account. So let's just go around onto manage purchases right here, and you can see that this is never this is a free license right here. So I need to go ahead and remove out such subscriptions that I may have right here. So let me just go ahead and remove it. And now in order to delete out my account for good, I'm going to go to account settings and delete my account right here. So click on delete account, and then you can go ahead and says like, are you sure you want to remove it, and so forth right here. So I'm sure that I want to remove everything. So I'm simply going to go ahead and choose delete account and click on continue. So it says please type YouTube channel right here in the field below to confirm. So let's just go ahead and type in the word that it gives me right here and click on delete account. And now the account deletion is in progress, and now it will be deleted out for good. And that is how you can delete out your account permanently, that is your WordPress account permanently as you like. So you can also go ahead and say that you made a mistake, restore my account as well, as you can see right here. And you have 30 full days to restore your account if you change your mind. So let's just go ahead and say I made a mistake right here, just like this. And once you do that, it says your account has been restored and you have been redirected to login. So let's just go ahead and continue with Google in my case right here, and then choose my account and log in. And that is how, if you want, you can go ahead and delete out your account of wordpress.com as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.